Ah.
Hello, hello,
Ah.
hello. And as you might have seen right now, my hair's in a style. But that's not what this video is about. It's about this thing that's in my mouth. I got a retainer. And let's take it out. It's the Italian flag. I just got this week. So, and the bottom one too. It's this flash tone. So, this one I wanted to get the Italian flag. I had to do the bottom with the flash tone because that would look stupid. Two clips at the back. It's gotta push and it's in there. And it messes up my talking, as you can hear. You want to hear this? Snake, 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 snake. And if I say seaweed, chick, Francesco. Let me see my name. Dante. Dylan. Yay! I'm gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 in the control pictures. I just got it, so and I'm having a giveaway for these things. No, I'm just kidding. These are used. These are used. They're used. And this is just $10 or $15, so I'm just gonna show you what I bought them now. Right here is my bottom one. That's flush tone. And that also just has two clips in the back right there. Just clips onto my nose. And there, I got it. I have to brush these 24/7, and you might have to get one, so because you have this tooth always in your mouth. Yeah. No. Yeah, you will. You'll have one of these too. So goodbye.